Have you ever asked, what slows your team down in manufacturing? It often comes down to unclear pricing, slow response, inconsistent quality, missed lead times, or limited process support. At First Mold, pricing is clear, repeat orders stay stable, and dedicated engineers provide direct support. We offer one-stop manufacturing support across DFM, mold making, injection molding, and CNC machining, with in-house production backed by ISO and IATF-certified systems. With manufacturing resources in China and Mexico, we provide more flexible production support, faster North American delivery, and quicker access to low-volume samples. From rapid tooling and CNC machining to advanced injection molding processes such as insert molding, overmolding, and two-shot molding, we support a wide range of manufacturing needs. From small, high-precision parts to larger molded components, First Mold delivers fast, reliable, and high-quality solutions. Visit firstmold.com to get your quote and start faster.